Hello, come unbox this with me. We've got Paume's all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. It is a 0.75 ounce tube. Let's check it out. All right, cute, travel size. I love it. What am I missing? Oh, okay. It's just hard to get open, which I guess is a good thing, so it's not gonna run off in your purse. All right, this is a kind of a big tube for waiting to see. Okay, that's not bad. I was worried that it was gonna like come out in this big giant goop, but it did not. It's not bad at all. So can you see? There you go. And just that little bit kind of goes along the length of, yeah, it does one whole hand, I would say. It's got a light scent, but it's not unpleasant. It's kind of like a lemon almond, maybe. I wonder if it says. Nope, it just says it's their signature scent. But it smells good nonetheless. It does have, what it does say is it does have plant keratin and biotin. And I like the idea of that because, you know, you've got plant-based ingredients. And then the biotin, I actually take that anyways for nail growth, hair growth, all that other stuff. So it'll be interesting to see if this also plays a role. But in the meantime, it's got a great texture. It's not sticky. It's not super greasy. I've used cuticle creams like this before where you have to, you know, work at it for like 10 minutes and I don't have time for that. But this is already well absorbed and yeah. And like I said, it's got a light citrusy vanilla kind of scent. Good product. I would definitely recommend the Paume all-in-one cuticle and nail cream.